Assalamualaikum, bertemu kembali di channel Mr.Chilabaey. So hari ni 24 hari bulan bersamaan hari Jumaat. So sekarang ni bertolak ke Thailand pada pagi ni untuk trip ke Koh Samui, Thailand. So sekarang ni berada di kawasan Untuk, masuk highway Untuk. Tadi RB di Akhirnya Rawang pukul 5 pagi dan berhenti di Tapah lebih kurang dalam pukul 6 pagi. Dan sekarang ni tolak lepas pada pukul 7 tadi ke mengarah ke Gunung Semanggul lah untuk hentian seterusnya. So aku akan sambung vlog lagi lepas ni bila sampai di Gunung Semanggul.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me want anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They're deceived with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why they say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying.
Nampak tak dia orang ni? Dia orang punya signal kat kita.
Push past all the pain and you find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer, you know, man, I still
Dia kereta ni dia tak nak ke tepi kan.
go, 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 go. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer, no, man, I still go.
Apa tu?
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, close, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Stop seterusnya akan berhenti di RNR Gunung Semanggul. So minyak pun dalam 70 lebih, dah blinking dah, dah beritahu. So ada dalam 74 km lagi. So mungkin boleh sampai lah. So sekarang ni nak menuju terus, nak meneruskan perjalanan, dan akan berhenti di Gurun kalau tak silap. Okey, kita akan mulakan perjalanan yang mula dah pun. Okey, kita jumpa dekat Gurun. Terima kasih.
As you fade away.
As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey